Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You open the doc and start where extra spacing usually hides, between paragraphs and lines. First, make sure you're viewing the document at full zoom and locate obvious double returns. Once done, press Ctrl+H or choose Edit, Find, and Replace to target double spaces and double returns. You'll search for 2 spaces or 2 paragraph marks, then you'll replace them with 1 space or 1 paragraph. This gets you immediate, repeatable control over visible spacing, so you can proceed confidently. Now you refine because some spacing is hidden or context-specific. Use Find and Replace iteratively. Replace double spaces, then triple spaces, and so on. Repeat until no matches remain. Next, collapse extra paragraph breaks by replacing 2 paragraph markers with 1, and then check line spacing under Format Line and Paragraph Spacing to set single 1, 15, or 1, 5 as needed. Make sure to inspect lists and tables separately, since list formatting and table cells can preserve extra gaps that need manual trimming. Finish by normalizing everything. Run a final pass replacing tabs and repeated spaces, then apply clear formatting to selected text if spacing persists. Once done, make sure to reapply intended styles, heading, normal text, so spacing matches the rest of the document. If you still see gaps, inspect headers, footers, and section breaks because those preserve spacing. Troubleshooting tip: if pasted content keeps adding space, paste as plain text to remove invisible styles, then reformat.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.